Behind every lesson is a story, an heartfelt memory, a moment of laughter, or an insight of wisdom. This Teacher's Day, we took a closer look at those amazing people that shape young minds every day. We asked them about moments that truly defined their journey and a little peek into the heart of the classroom. What has inspired you to become a teacher?
I got inspired from my mother because my mother herself was a teacher and she was an amazing teacher. The rapport that she shared with her students and the love that she got in return was really awesome.
In your eyes, what makes a teacher truly successful?
According to me, when a student feels valued, loved, and recognized, and they carry the lessons you teach long after they leave school, coming back with the stories of their success, that makes a teacher truly successful.
What's the funniest excuse you've heard for not doing their homework?
I thought you would love the surprise of not getting to check one more homework, ma'am.
What's that one piece of advice that your teacher has given you and is still stuck to you?
I actually believe in the law of karma. When I was a small child, especially a student, I used to be very boisterous in school, play pranks, mischief. My dad also used to be called probably once a week to school. Now, one day, one of my teachers told, "Look, you should be a teacher." And there is it, the law of karma has repeated itself.
What's the most heartwarming thing your students have taught you?
So, the greatest gift that I take away from children every single day is to forgive and forget. They are there together always having little bit of tips here and there. But then they forget everything and then they're happy to leave this classroom.
Teaching is much more than a profession. It's a passion that lights up every classroom with love, laughter, and dedication. Here's to all those incredible teachers whose dedication inspired generations. Happy Teachers' Day from Birla Open Minds.